Well, everyone, you might be in a situation where you can't go ahead and log out of Instagram. Now, this can happen for a couple of different reasons. If you're going inside of Instagram and you're not able to log out of that account, it depends on which account you're basically trying to log out of. If you have multiple accounts signed into the same type of account, that can kind of be an issue sometimes. So, what you can try doing is to go through, come into your profile. It's in the bottom right of Instagram, the app right here, and click in the top right corner, which is right up here. So tap right up here, and what you want to do is scroll all the way down until you find this little logout button right here. So click on logout, and what you want to do is you want to click on not now. Or sorry, save. You can save or not now, it's up to you, but click on not now. And then there should be that logout button. If you don't see this, that might just mean there's an issue with Instagram. So go through, close out of Instagram like this, go open Instagram back up, click on your profile, click on the top right again, scroll down and try it again, right? So go through, try clicking log out again, and you want to see what happens. If that's not working, the next thing you might want to try doing is to go ahead and basically update your Instagram app. So go inside of your App Store or your Google Play Store, go ahead and click on the search bar that's at the bottom, and go and click on the games option right here where the app search bar, and then click on Instagram. So type in Instagram just like this, and all you're going to want to do is see if there's an update available for the Instagram app. If there is, go ahead and update, and that's pretty much all you're going to have to do. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.